snitch. That's on my kid. I put a chopper on a blade, put a blade on a slick. I keep my right hand spinning like my last name Smith. I don't miss, I'm making money while I piss.
Double them bitch with a fever. Get off the money, go pour up a leader. Back on his head, he a Peter. Glock 19, and I'm naming it Tina. 160 on the dash, they checking the meter. You better not miss that switch, leave him with amnesia.
I got a plug from the P, free snow. Damn, the cops got him. Cock one, make the block run. Ops.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to Jay's Games and Fingerboard. Today, we got a fingerboard package from no other than Will. I'm so excited for this package. Let's get into it. Alright, let's just get into it. We got just some packaging, the order slip. Ooh. Okay, first we got some board rails to protect this beautiful graphic that's in here. The deck that I'm talking about is the White Trash Willy deck. This is my favorite screwdriver. He got me into riding street, and now he has a fingerboard, so of course I had to get it. Have some chrome on pink Y trucks and pink Y wheels. Let's get into setting this up. This isn't my first Yellowwood deck. I put a photo of my first Yellowwood deck right here. That's what my first Yellowwood deck looked like. I took it to high school and it got snapped, but it's good to finally have another Yellowwood. Alright, let's get into building this thing. I only got the board rails on. It took about an hour to set up. Let's do the grip. Yay! Alright, grip is on. Now it's time for the trucks. Let's just take a quick look at these trucks. Dang, they look good with the board. The pink base plate. Dang, these look good. Alright, let's get back to assembling them. The first truck on, let's get the second one. Now the next day, I got the trucks on. They're looking good with the board. Now it's time to put on the Y wheels. So let's get to it. The details on these Y wheels. Okay, let's get them on there. Alright, we got the wheels on here. Here's the setup. Let's see. Here, I'll show you a detailed view. Okay, so we got the Yellowwood foam tape. We got the Willy Yellowwood deck. We have pink base plate wide trucks and dual P pink Yellowwood wheels. Now, let's get some tricks on this board.
It's a bail, come the day it gets worse, and I hope you fucking hurt. Now what's the word, Captain? I think I caught you lacking. There are 9 more years that this hell's packing. No tippy tapping, bitch, I call me baby rapping. I feel lucky I'm not you. At the top I do the do. Stuck in the fucking darkness and it's cold and hard. Haven't felt some in some days, bitch. Where do I start? Start from the top and the next up the bottom. Right about a baby, I swear I already got 'em. Close your eyes and think of something for me. Think of all the times that you've been feeling kinda lonely. What could you do with your time in?
If you enjoyed these clips, now, I'm gonna ride this board for a week straight, only this board, and I'll come back with my honest opinions. Been a week, time for the week review. So, let's go over a recap on the setup. It's some Yellowwood foam tape, Yellowwood Willy deck, Yellowwood pink base plate X5 tracks, some Yellowwood dual bearing pink wheels, and some skull board rails. Now these board rails were a pain to get on, but besides that, good board. I like it. I'm gonna give this setup a 9 out of 10. Some more videos to come, because now I own all the different basic types of trucks, so there'll be that video and some more videos. I'm missing you out on some tricks, but until then, after these tricks, see you next time.